Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FA 10.9-inch 128 GB Wi-Fi tablet video script. Looking for a tablet that's powerful, stylish, and doesn't break the bank? Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FA, Samsung's latest addition to their Fan Edition lineup. Let's unbox it, dive into its features, and find out if it's the perfect fit for you. Unboxing setup. Right out of the box, you get the Galaxy Tab S9 FE, the iconic S Pen, a USB-C cable, and the usual paperwork. No charging brick here, though. Samsung's keeping things minimalist. But hey, let's focus on what really matters, the tablet itself. Design showcase shots of tablet from different angles. The first thing you'll notice is the premium aluminum design. At just 6.5 mm thin and weighing 523 grams, it's lightweight yet solid in your hands. Plus, it comes in stunning colors like mint, lavender, and graphite, perfect for any style. Display features tablet playing a high-res video. The 10.9-inch LCD screen is sharp and vibrant, with a 2304 x 1440 resolution. While it's not AMOLED, the 90 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming buttery smooth. Watching Netflix or YouTube on this thing? Pure joy. Performance breakdown split screen with apps running. Now, let's talk power. The Tab S9 FA is packed with an Exynos 1380 chipset and 6 GB of RAM. Multitasking is a breeze, whether you're streaming, editing, or jumping between apps. And with 128 GB of storage expandable up to 1 TB, you'll never run out of space. S Pen in action writing or drawing on the screen. The S Pen is a game changer. Whether you're sketching, jotting notes, or editing photos, it's responsive and feels incredibly natural. Plus, it snaps magnetically to the back, so you'll never lose it. Software features screen recording of multitasking. With Android 13 and One UI 5.1, the experience is smooth and intuitive. Samsung DeX takes productivity to the next level, letting you use the tablet as a PC. Need to multitask. Split screen and pop-up windows make it effortless. Gaming showcase playing popular mobile games. Calling all gamers. The Tab S9 FA handles games like Genshin Impact and PUBG Mobile with ease. The 90Hz display adds to the immersion, making fast-paced action feel smoother. Battery life and charging close-up of battery indicator. Let's talk endurance. The 10,000 mAh battery gives you up to 12 hours of video playback. And while it supports 25W fast charging, you'll need to grab the charger separately. Camera capabilities sample photos and video calls. An 8MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera ensure decent shots and clear video calls. Samsung's AI optimizations make your photos pop, even in less than ideal lighting. Audio test close-up of speakers, sound test montage. The audio? Next level. Dual stereo speakers tuned by a KG deliver rich immersive sound. And with Dolby Atmos support, movie nights and music sessions are a treat. Connectivity features graphic animation of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's future-proof with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a USB-C 3.2 port. Whether you're transferring files or pairing accessories, connectivity is seamless. User recommendations tablet in different use cases. So, who's this tablet for? Students will love it for note-taking and online classes. Creatives. The S Pen is a dream for sketching and design. And for binge watchers and casual gamers, the performance and display are top-notch. Comparing to competitors' side-by-side graphics. When compared to competitors like the iPad 10th Gen, the Tab S9 FE stands out with its included S Pen and Samsung's multitasking features, all at a better price point. Pricing and value price tag on screen. At just $449, this tablet delivers flagship-level features without breaking your wallet. Whether for work or play, it's hard to find a better deal in this price range. Tips and accessories, close-up of case and charger. Pro tip, grab a protective case and a fast charger to get the most out of your Tab S9 FE. And if you're in the Samsung ecosystem, it syncs beautifully with other Galaxy devices. Closing thoughts, host holding tablets. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a powerhouse in a sleek package. With its stunning display, versatile S Pen, and all-day battery life, it's perfect for almost anyone. Whether you're a student, creative, or professional, this tablet delivers. Call to action, host speaking to camera. So, what do you think of the Galaxy Tab S9 FE? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe button, social links, previous video recommendations.